Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can make a hole in Creality print slicer. Now to make this easier, I'm going to add a simple shape onto my plate, which is going to be a box shape or a cube shape. From there, to finally add your hole, in most cases you want to apply a negative part, and then of course you want to select a cylinder if you are creating a hole onto your shape. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to edit out the shape of my cube right here. So I'm going to rescale it by selecting the rescale option, which is going to be this one, and basically I'm just going to make this bigger. From there, I'm going to edit out the hole that I'm going to apply to my cube. So from here, I'm going to do the same thing, which is to scale it like this one, and then I'm going to move it above my cube. Now, the most important step on this method is to make sure that they collide with each other, as you can see right here. And after making sure that everything is aligned, to proceed, I'm just going to click on the slice plate option. From there, it will then apply the hole onto our shape. Now, of course, if you want to apply a deeper hole, you can make sure that your cylinder shape goes through the entire cube right here. And from there, you have successfully made a hole in the Creality print slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.